Hello and welcome. My name is Maria Fuller. I'm an attorney at the firm of Fuller & Fuller. At our firm, we handle cases that involve automobile accidents, medical malpractice, and personal injury in the state of Washington. In the state of Washington, we have a statute under Title 46 that says any driver in the state of Washington must have insurance coverage. That sounds good. It sounds like if you're in a wreck in the state of Washington, you're protected. Unfortunately, that's far from true. There's all kinds of drivers driving around in Washington who have no insurance coverage at all. In fact, you have about a 1 in 5 chance anytime you are in an accident of being hit by an uninsured driver. What can you do to protect yourself? How can you protect your family and your passengers? You can purchase underinsured and uninsured motorist coverage. Uninsured coverage protects your family from drivers who have no insurance at all. Underinsured coverage protects you from drivers who have not enough insurance. I have many cases every year where both kinds of coverage are very important. The legislature also thinks that this kind of coverage is very important, and they have passed a statute in 48.22 that says that insurance companies must offer uninsured motorist as a standard provision, and that if you're going to waive it as a purchaser, you actually have to do so in writing. I had a case recently this year where that statute was very important to my client. She was in an automobile accident, she had to have back surgery, and the at-fault party had $100,000 in insurance coverage. Unfortunately, that $100,000 only covered her medical bills. There was nothing left over to compensate her for what she'd been through, and there was also nothing left over for her lost wages. Her own insurance company told me that she did not have underinsured motorist coverage on her own policy. However, I was able to require her insurance company to provide her with additional insurance coverage. They ended up having to provide her with $100,000 in additional coverage because they were unable to produce the signed document in writing showing that she had waived her right to underinsured motorist coverage. That extra $100,000 makes a big difference to my client. It means that she is going to be compensated for what she has been through. It means she is going to be compensated for her lost wages. So, again, please protect yourself and your family and your passengers by making sure that you have this kind of coverage. If you're not sure, take a look at your policy or call your agent. Thank you so much for listening. My name is Maria Fuller. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me.